Hello, good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great. So, we are doing chapter number 3, Early Humans 2. Today, in this video, we will, with the help of images, we will revise how the life of early humans changed over different stone ages. Okay, so this is a compiled video of both chapter 2 and chapter 3. We will be studying that how the lifestyle of early humans changed over different ages that are present in that era. Okay, let us continue with this chapter. Humans have evolved greatly through millions of years that mark their existence on the earth. Apes and humans were first discovered millions of years ago. There was a difference between apes and men. Early humans, like hominids, they could stand straight, but apes they could not. Stone Age was divided into three periods for the help of study. One is Paleolithic period, that is Old Stone Age also, Mesolithic period, Middle Age, Neolithic period, New Age. Today we will study how humans changed, how their lifestyle changed over these three stone ages that are present in that time. During Paleolithic, humans lived a simple life. They were hunters and gatherers and nomads. Okay, always on the move. They traveled from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and water. They hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, roots, nuts, and seeds, whatever they used to get from the plant, whatever they get, or even they hunted animals and they used to gather that animals for their eating. One of the greatest discoveries made by early humans during the Paleolithic age was of the fire. Fire proved to be very useful for early humans. It protects them from wild animals. It helps them to keep them warm during winter season. It helps them to even cook their food. Earlier they used to have raw animals, raw food, any raw item. But now after the invention of fire, after the discovery of fire, they started having semi-cooked food. Okay. Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. During this time, early humans realized the importance of domesticating animals and growing their own food, but they still lived a nomadic life. They just realized the importance. They did not start it in this time period. It took several thousand years for them to realize this importance. Then they started practicing it in Neolithic age or New Stone Age. They used flint to make new tools because flint can be easily chipped and can be molded easily into different shapes and sizes. They were much efficient. The tools that were made up of flint were much efficient than the tools that were made up of stone. Then comes the Neolithic age or the New Stone Age. After leading a nomadic life for thousands of years, humans gradually began to settle down to live at one place. During New Stone Age, humans started producing or growing their own crops. They became food producers. They started living a settled life near their fields also. They started constructing mud houses. So they started living a settled life. During this Stone Age, they started domesticating animals. They started using animals for their own personal uses. These two events have brought a great revolution in the lifestyle of early humans. Next biggest discovery that revolutionized the life of early humans was of invention of wheel. It also made an important step towards the progress of early humans. They started using wheels to transport, to move from one place to another. This invention of wheel have made their life much easier. After these three stone ages, there comes the Chalcolithic age or the Copper Stone Age. Humans made tools of both stone and copper during this age. It was short yet an important period in the life of early humans because it marked a change from the use of stone to metal. This is how the life developed a lot. They made a huge progress due to all these developments. Now I hope that with this compilation of chapter 2 and chapter 3 is clear to you. So with this video I made it clear that how the early humans lifestyle changed over the period of time. This revolution have took several thousand of years, but their lifestyle changed. These all developments have brought a huge progress in their lifestyle. Now this is one activity at page number 21. Map work is given. You have to look at the map given on the page 12. Then you have to match the following, and in the boxes you have to write the Stone Age period to which each site belongs to. Okay, P for Paleolithic, M for Mesolithic, N for Neolithic. This you have to do in your book only. We have already studied that sites map, so you have to mark which site belong to which age. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to you. If you have any query, please write to me in the comment box with your name and section. I will be answering to all your queries. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching, student. Please like and subscribe to my channel.